Hello guys, I have a question. Who turned on the rain and the lightning? Woo! You hear that one? Woo, baby! Yes! Yes! Look at that lightning. I love it! It's my favorite. Lightning. Sit out here and get my ass shocked off. Yay! I'm stupid, but I love it. Ooh! Ooh, here we go. Just in time to get my fucking Domino's ordered watch. Yeah, she's not going. She's gonna get, you know. You coming out? You go pee-pee? Ah, she's like, no. She goes, no. She goes, let me back in. It was just a real good one. Yeah. I am videoing and waiting for my food. Are you waiting for a break in the rain to run away? Watch, as soon as I pause it, gonna have another one. My tree was like, please feed me. Please feed me the water. All of the water. Oh, there it is. What'd you sit on? Nothing. Sit on that one. Oh, here we go. Up, and there's the Domino's. I don't